Nakapasok po sa Galaxy International Pageant ang isang batang Filipino-Canadian mula sa Winnipeg. Siya po ang nag-iisang Filipino-Canadian preteen na susubok bilang kinatawan ng Canada sa pageant. Kilalanin natin siya sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
Pasok sa Galaxy International Pageant ang 9 gulang na si Janaya Estrella mula sa Winnipeg. Third runner-up si Estrella sa Miss Preteen Canada Galaxy Pageant noong 2023 at ngayong taon, siya na ang nagwagi sa kompetisyon.
I felt it really in shock because I wasn't expecting that I was gonna win because I tried my best to compete in this pageant and I really want to be a part of with my sisterhood, with my sister queens, and I made new friends, new memories, and it was a memorable experience for me.
Siya ang isa sa 7 kinatawan ng Canada na susubok makuha ang corona sa Galaxy International Pageant na gaganapin sa Amerika. Kaya ikinatuwa niya ang oportunidad na maipakita ang talento ng kanyang dalawang bansa, Pilipinas at Canada, sa international stage.
I really like to represent my country, Canada, even my cultural Philippines, so that I could continue supporting my community and events and showing everyone what it's about the international pageant or going into a pageant and being confident and having fun. Pageantry is just not about self-centering, it's about serving. And serving is like you're serving your community, your events, you're volunteering.
Naging interesado raw siyang sumali sa mga pageant dahil pakiramdam niya na siya'y isang prinsesa na magsusuot ng mga gown. Ikinatuwa rin niya ang pagpakita ng kanyang talento sa entablado.
We were wearing our fashion wear on stage and our first time wearing our fitness wear. It was our first time wearing it and we were so excited to what we wear. Even we wear our evening gown on stage and show everyone our valuable skills of how we walk, how we pose, and show our energy.
Pagdating sa interview portion, tinanong daw siya tungkol sa kanyang hilig sa pagsasayaw at pagkakanta. Oportunidad para ikwento ni Estrella ang hamon na naranasan niya noong nagsisimula pa lamang ang kanyang interes.
I started singing at the age of 1 year old, and I used to have a clip palate inside of my throat, like a hole inside of my mouth, and I needed surgery for that when I was 9 months old. The doctor said I can start talking when I'm at the age of 4 year old or 3 years old, but I started singing at the age of 1 year old.
Naiuwi rin ni Estrella ang ilang parangal sa kompetisyon, kabilang ang Best in Interview, Best in Fashion Wear, Best in Evening Gown at Best in Social Media. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.